Hello everyone, welcome to AI Unlocked. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, made simple for beginners. If you've ever wondered how Siri, Alexa, or recommendation systems work, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, what exactly is artificial intelligence, or AI? AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in computers. It enables machines to think, learn, and solve problems, just like humans. Examples include chatbots, image recognition, and even self-driving cars. Now, expanding on AI, we have machine learning, or ML allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize cats in photos. The more photos it sees, the better it gets at identifying cats on its own. At its core, machine learning uses algorithms and data to make predictions or decisions. For example, an email spam filter analyzes thousands of emails to learn what spam looks like, so it can block future spam emails automatically. AI and ML are everywhere. From Netflix recommending shows you love, to voice assistants like Siri, to fraud detection in banking. They're transforming industries and making our lives easier. If you're interested in learning AI and ML, start with basic programming skills like Python, then explore free courses online. There's a whole world of beginner-friendly tools and tutorials waiting for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick intro to AI and machine learning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more educational content. Drop your questions or topics you'd like to explore next in the comments below. See you in the next video.